I can't believe you fit 615s in a truck.
Just wanted to be different.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
All right. Yeah.
Can I come in? All right. Is it right if I open this real quick? Yeah. Okay. Looks really good. Is there any amps on the other side or all right here?
Just right there,
Okay.
112K.
Okay. Wow. So you're naming what's in here, man?
So, name's Dwayne. Got 6 Coriolis V1 shockwaves, 615s, base 12K, wired to 1.33, 2 8s in each door, custom speaker pods, and Amps 2000 by 4 on the doors.
Okay. Nice. Wow. Oh, you don't have a seat, or you do?
Nah, I can't fit it. I'm too big. And
So
this is a daily driver too.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
You still can have your seatbelt maybe or no seatbelt?
Yeah, seatbelt.
Okay, yeah.
Gotta-
Just in case a cop
gotta
came
follow
over
the
or
law,
something.
dude.
Yeah, just in case a cop. Wow, this looks.
So we.
This
built
is insane for a truck.
Yeah, so that was kind of the idea. You've been with my brother before, so
Yeah.
obviously the walls stay in the family, and
Yeah.
we wanted.
Is it
to
right
buy
if I
this.
poke in here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Just trying to look in.
Nothing's been prettied yet. It's still a work in progress, but
Yes, sir.
we're gonna make it all pretty here within the next month or so.
Looks really like insane. Like you put this. How many cubes did you get in here?
What was it? It was 40.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, of course you pushed forward to right at the B pillar.
Yeah. We got every inch we could.
Yeah. How far back does that port go?
All the way to the.
All the way. I'm not gonna see anything then. Okay.
No,
I think it's like 36.
yeah.
Okay.
We did it because nobody had done one of these 4-door trucks that
Yeah.
we've seen. So we're like, man, like they make everything for them. Why not?
Yeah. They're solid vehicles too.
Yeah.
Any SPL tests?
None.
None? Okay.
None. Just been demoing it, having fun. Just having good
What's the
fun.
bandwidth and tuning frequency and all?
Roughly 19 to 40.
19. Wow. Lows.
It plays lows to highs. Don't know the actual tuning. No
That's all good.
testing on
That's
it.
all good. And these are 6 subs on the 1 amp. What is your impedance and any rise testings or anything like that?
So we're wired to 1.33, but everything is turned down so conservatively right now that I mean, it just kind of, it plays all day. The subs don't get hot, the amps don't get warm. I mean, it does good.
Yes, sir. All right. Awesome. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. I appreciate the info.
Oh, of course, man.
This is very cool.
I'm gonna roll up that
Any windshield? Yeah, sure. Any issues up here with the windshield?
It will be when the new 12K's on it.
Oh, yeah, the power, yeah.
But for right now, just a single 12K.
Yeah. And these subs are 2,000 RMS or 2,500 or
2750.
2,750. Okay.
Yep.
Do you load it off of this one for the high note and then the lows with both doors windows? Okay.
Yeah.
How low do you playing, do you think, on this one?
It likes 28 hertz.
Okay.
So 28 is like its happy spot.
Okay.
But like I said, it plays all the way down to 19.
Yes, sir.
Still gotta do some more bracing on the baffle.
Okay.
So try not to play it too low, but
Yeah. Okay. All right. Wow. I can actually see what you mean now. You wouldn't be able to put a seat like this and
no,
drive.
you can't.
Yeah.
I like, and me being a big dude, I like with the seat in, I'm right here.
Yeah.
Driving. It doesn't. No.
You're a real bass head.
I try to be. Runs in the family, man.
Yeah.
Oh, and another thing, Steve Sorrentino was a huge help with this truck.
Okay.
He helped a lot with his knowledge, and him, my brother, and Donnie all helped build this.
Okay.
We built this in 4 days.
Awesome. I can't believe you fit 615s in a truck.
Yeah, that was kind of the end game, is wanting to be different, man.
Yeah. Oh, you did it.
Team bada bing.
Team bada bing. All right. Awesome.
Appreciate you, dude.
You're welcome, man. Might be long.
Lock the doors.
Yeah, bass will do all kinds of weird stuff. Take a picture real quick. Does this go up at all? I'm gonna come on your side. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll just take the picture. Wow. USB or something.
Oh no, my phone closed.
Wow.
That's what I get for not.
That was a
having
good
USB.
drop too.
That's what I get for not having a USB.
It's still a really good drop, man.
Thank you. We'll
With
restart
It
that.
didn't unload at all either.
No, it's everything's turned down. That
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
very safe.
You don't have to worry about the subs blowing or
No.
anything.
Trying to make that not happen. Yeah, my phone locked. That's why it cut off.
Jelly, take him to the trap house, homie. May 18th. You know where to find me. I be out there every single day. Southside streets, wood burning any eye. Yeah, I keep the cannon kind. If you looking for me, well then look for the kids.
This is why I need a USB.
Made me sneeze a little bit. When it gets to a certain point, you just sneeze, you can't control it. I appreciate it. That was awesome, man.
Oh, you're good, man.
Wow. Awesome, man. I appreciate the demo. That's pretty crazy loud. And I can't believe you fit 615s in a truck.
Yeah, that was kind of the end game, is wanting to be different, man.
Yeah. Oh, you did it. Your name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne. Nice to meet you, Dwayne.
Team Bada Bing.
Team Bada Bing. All right. Awesome.
Appreciate you, dude.
You're welcome, man.